Okay. Can you see here? What are the pictures are? By seeing the pictures on Saturday, that means before already it is completed. Making the sentences, we have to match them. How to match? I will tell you. Okay. Now look into the book, all of you. Start doing. Okay. Take the pencil and start, all of you. See, in the middle pictures are there. One is Amit, another one Bunny, grandfather, mother. That is the middle one. Is on Saturday. So all on Saturday, what they have done? It's already completed. About the past tense forms we are talking here. Okay. So already the sentence of that work has completed doing. Okay. So we have to do the matching. From first, what we have to do is, okay, I will write on the board. You watch it. Follow it. On Saturday. Okay. This is a common for all. In the middle that are given there. I can't draw the pictures. Only the names I am writing here, children. You can see that in the box, green color box. Amit, Bunny. Okay. Next, grandfather. Next, mother. Okay. These are the words that are given along with the pictures in the middle in the textbook. Next, to the another side, the sentences, the half sentences are given there. What are they? First, it is given, jumped in the garden, jumped in the garden. This is one. Next one, played football. Another one is played football. Okay. Next, baked a cake. Baked a cake. Next, visited his friend. Visited his friend. Okay. Now like this, it's given there for you in the textbook. Now what we have to do? For all these, on Saturday is common. Now on Saturday, Amit, what he has done? What Amit has done? On Saturday, Amit, okay, played football. Like that you have to join the sentences. On Saturday, Amit played football. Okay. Now draw the lines like that only, children. Next, on Saturday, Bunny, what Bunny has done? What it has done? Bunny is the name of an animal. It's a cat. Cat only? Okay. But not the cat or puppy it is. It's a cat. On Saturday, Bunny, what it has done? Jumped in the garden. Jumped in the garden. Okay. Next, on Saturday, again, grandfather. Okay. What he has done? What grandfather has done? Visited his friends. On Saturday, grandfather visited his friend. Next, on Saturday, mother baked a cake. On Saturday, mother baked a cake. Okay, ma? Like this, you have to join the sentences. Make it fast, all of you. Okay, today, who is that? Siddharth Kanteti. Okay, Siddharth Kanteti is celebrating his birthday. Okay, happy birthday, Siddharth. God bless you. And wishes from your friends also. Take care of your health and be careful, ma. Enjoy your day. Okay. Next, if you completed that one, we will go for the next page. Okay. Okay, ma, if it is completed, we will go for the next page, that is page number 13. 12th page is completed. Now we will go for page number 13. Shall I erase it? Make it fast, just only drawing the lines, joining everything, that's all. Make it fast, ma, all of you. Make it fast. Okay, Siddharth. Enjoy your day nicely. Don't go outside. Be careful. Take care of your health, ma. Okay. Whenever you go outside, wear the mask. Without mask, don't go outside. Okay. Sanitize your hands and be careful. Yes, children, I'm erasing the board now. I'm erasing. We will go for the next page. Or see page number 13, all of you. Now, after now, we completed the sentence only just of changing the word, the present verb to the simple past verb, past tense. Okay. Now, the same letter just adding e or a ed to the given verb. Now here the sentences are given there, and the present tense verbs are given. Now here, whatever the words we are writing here, completely the spelling will change. You observe that one. Completely the spelling will change. Only the answers given there. See, the first one is already given for you in the textbook. I am writing a poem today. I am writing a poem today. What is the verb in that one? Writing is a verb. So that verb, we have to change it into the past tense. I dashed a story yesterday. I wrote a story yesterday. See here, write, wrote. Okay, completely the spelling is changed. Next one, second one. I'm drawing a tree today. I'm drawing a tree today. My brother dashed a flower yesterday. My brother dashed a flower yesterday. Here in the first one, what is the verb there? Drawing. What is the past form of a draw? It is drew. Okay, the past form of a draw is drew. D-R-E-W. Drew. Okay, it is a D bit. Page number 13, second one answer. My brother drew a flower yesterday. Next, third one. I didn't write the first one because already it is given there in the textbook. Okay, ma'am? Next, third one. I'm not going to market today. What is the verb there? Going. Now we have to change that word. The past tense of the go is went. I went to market yesterday. Went, W-E-N-T, went. Okay, I went to market yesterday. I'm keeping my book in the bag today. In that, what is the first? You have to identify the verb, children. That's why for each sentence, I'm asking you what is the verb, what is the verb. Unless if you don't know what is the verb in that sentence, you can't change into past form. Okay. So here, I'm keeping my books in the bag today. Keeping. Keeping is a verb. The simple present tense is keep. Okay. Simple present tense is keep. So past tense of keep is kept. Past tense of keep is kept. Yesterday, I kept my pencil in the bag. Yesterday, I kept my pencil in the bag. Next, fifth one. Today, Radha is making tea. Today, Radha is making tea. What is the verb in that one, children? What is the verb in the sentence? Making. Making. Okay. The present simple tense is make. So the past form is made. Yesterday, Dev dash tea. Yesterday, Dev made tea. M-A-D-E, made. Okay. Yesterday, Dev made tea. Copy it, all of you. Nice. You gave the answers. Very good, children. Clap, all of you. Clap yourself, all of you once. Okay. Good, children. Yes. Amina. Amina is celebrating her birthday today. Children, wish Amina happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amina. God bless you. Take care, ma'am. Okay. Now, children, copy all those. And after that, open the second term, English, CW. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, ma'am? Now, all of you, open the CW. Not the first term book, ma'am. Second term. Already the first lesson question answers you copied in the book. That book, you have to open it. Okay. All the 7 question answers we wrote, you all wrote. Term 2, lesson 1, the happy tea. Okay. Open that one. After the 7th question answer, take the new page. Take the new page in the CW. Okay. Open the CW, all of you. Second term CW. And write today's date. Date is there on the board here. 12/11/20. Okay. Write the date. Write the date, Nana, all of you on the, and after that, on the red line, the double line is there for you here, the small one. Either it is in the black or red. Okay, in some books it is black, in some it is red. So, okay, on this red line, all of you write, keep the heading, tenses, Tenses, tenses. Keep the heading, tenses, all of you. And keep the heading, all of you. After that, what you have to do, I will tell. Keep the heading, write today's date. Write today's date, all of you. On the red line, the first line, keep the heading, tenses. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Is it completed? Now, what you have to do is take your book, fold the paper like this to make a magic line. To make a magic line. Fold the paper like this, all of you, and open it. The line will form the straight line. Okay. Do you like that, all of you? Just I'm drawing the line here. You again no need to draw the line. Okay. Instead of drawing the line, I ask you to fold the paper like that so that a straight line will form. Now this side, starting from the margin, right there, present tense. P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present. Okay. Present tense. Some words we will copy now, the present tense and past tense words. Okay. Next, after the line, just give a little bit and write past tense. Past tense. Touching the two lines, write clearly, children. Don't write any mistakes. Okay? Present tense, past tense. Now copy the words, all of you, and underline it better. Okay? Underline present tense, past tense. After the heading, leave one line. Children, leave one line after the heading present tense and past tense, and keep numbers and start writing. Okay? First one, like. The past tense is liked. Children, while you are writing, pronounce the words, the letter, whatever the letter you are writing, you repeat that letter and copy it in your book. Okay? Like, liked. Okay? Next, bake, baked. Bake, baked. Share. Children, here no need to start the starting letter with a capital letter. Write only the small letters. You was observe here. I wrote only the small letters. Share, shared. S-H-A-R-E-D. Shared. Okay? Live, lived. Live, lived. Use, used. Next, save, saved. Saved. Next, change, changed. Copy it now, all of you. Who is there asking tomorrow holiday? Why tomorrow holiday, ma? What is there? Huh? Why? No holiday tomorrow. Class is there. Children, copy it properly, all of you. Like, liked. Bake, baked. Share, shared. Live, lived. Use, used. Save, saved. Change, changed. I will write 10 words here, children. Okay, because the 10 words it will fit for you in the CW. Okay, so the first page you can copy all the 10 words. Okay, complete, completed, completed. Children, is it clear for you? Completed. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-D. Completed. Next, ninth one. Die, D-I-E, die. The past tense is died. Children, did you observe here whatever I gave, end of the present tense word E is there. Just only I added D in the past tense. All that words only I gave here for you. Okay? So that you won't get any confused. Next, care. Cared. Copy it, children, after this 10 words. Not clear. Okay, I will erase and write again this word. Completed. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-D. Completed. Copy it fast now, all of you. Yes. All completed writing? Shall I erase it? No, still you are writing. That means you are not writing the homework what I am giving for you. Yes, not at all practicing writing. That's why this much of time you have taken to write. Make it a little bit faster. I think these first 7 words you completed is, I'm erasing this side. The same way, in the next page also, you make a fold the paper. The next page also, fold the paper to make a magic line. Okay? Fold it. Again, write the heading present tense, past tense. Again, write the heading. Those who completed all the 10 words, if lines are there, you can continue it. Until that page completes, you can write. After that, go for the next page. But on every page, write present tense, past tense. The heading you have to keep there. Okay? Now, 11th one. Climb, climbed. See here, ending letter is B. What you have to do? You have to add E-G to that word. Climbed. Word is climbed. Next, talk. Sorry. Talk. Talked. Talked. Next, listen. Listen. Listened. Listened. Only five words I will give, ma. The remaining we will continue tomorrow. Copy the 5 words. That means total 15 words. Okay. Next, jump. Jumped. Jumped. Next, 15th one. Sorry. Look. Look. Looked. Look. Looked. And today's homework is, yesterday, 4 question answers you completed. Is learn and write 5, 6 question answers 2 times. Write the homework. Don't miss it. Okay, ma'am? Copy the up to 15. The remaining 15 words tomorrow I will give. Make it fast. Okay? Copy it. Only 15 words. Okay? The remaining tomorrow we can write. Again, don't copy these words. Okay, those are all completed. Close the English books and open the maths books and be ready for the maths class. I think you all completed copying some erasing the board. Okay, children? Bye. Good afternoon, all of you. Thank you. Okay, children.